Hi, I'm back, and today I'm going to do a video, and it's called How to Make a Home Video. It's going to be really cool. All you need is a few simple things. You need some props. There's a little pillow here. You're going to need like a backboard like this one. You're going to need like a little board like this. That's Kaylee's, that's her, this. Some sticks and props and stuff. Then you're going to need to set it up and get your camera ready. Make sure your camera's fully charged, like this one is. But this one's plugged in and it's charging. So, set it all up to where you want it. And then you're going to carefully move each one and put it in a different slide. For example, if you wanted to do a PowerPoint, you just go to Microsoft PowerPoint or whatever, and you put pictures on the slides, upload your pictures on the computer, and put them on the slides and put some music to it. There you go, you got yourselves a video. Now, if you just wanted to make a video like I'm doing, if you have a laptop and it's got a webcam, you can just do that. Just go to Start, and go to UCam or whatever kind of camera that's built into it. Click it, and you can just talk like this and upload it on the computer. There's two different ways of doing it, and then you can just move around on the screen. Okay? And that's how you make yourselves a home video. Bye. See you next time.